the profit margin is compressed. How to break the situation when the delivery time is tight? Under the tide of economic globalization, traditional manufacturing industries such as home appliances and clothing are facing severe challenges. The cost of a single product continues to rise. Profit margins are constantly being squeezed. In order to survive and thrive, improving efficiency and optimizing management have become the only way forward. However, the traditional single-piece production model often forms a bottleneck in the complex production process. There is a large backlog of work in progress between processes. It makes the production cycle unpredictable. Weak controllability. When the market requires multiple specifications and short delivery times, we are increasingly powerless. How can we see through the entire production process? Breaking down information silos. The emergence of RFID technology provides a perfect answer to this question. By giving each WIP a unique electronic ID card, the system can automatically collect data from the whole production process in real time. This is equivalent to a pair of clairvoyant eyes for managers. Make every step of the process transparent and controllable. In the face of global competition, digital transformation is no longer a choice. It's about survival. RFID technology empowers traditional manufacturing, not only to solve today's cost and efficiency challenges, it is also to win tomorrow's market and development opportunities.